Many real estate investors experience losses not due to poor property selection, but rather from mismanaging properties that have potential. Effective management plays a pivotal role in maximizing returns and maintaining property value over time. Without proper oversight, even the most promising investments can underperform. Recognizing the significance of management strategies is essential for achieving sustained success in real estate. By focusing on operational excellence, investors can safeguard their assets and ensure consistent growth. In today's real estate market, success is driven by careful analysis and strategic planning, rather than by inspiration or the glamorous portrayals seen on television. Investors must rely on robust systems, detailed budgets, and disciplined execution to ensure profitability. Every stage of the investment process demands clear decision-making, supported by accurate data and thorough preparation. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes returns, setting a foundation for sustainable growth in a competitive environment.
Many new investors believe that buying a property at a low price automatically leads to quick profits. However, this assumption often overlooks the complexities involved in real estate projects. Without careful planning for material expenses, labor costs, and renovation priorities, unforeseen challenges can arise. These issues may cause budgets to balloon and timelines to extend, ultimately jeopardizing the investment. Understanding the importance of thorough preparation is essential to avoid costly mistakes. A successful property flip starts with careful planning and a strong foundation. This involves securing the necessary permits, scheduling inspections, and establishing clear timelines for each phase of the project. Addressing structural work early ensures the integrity and safety of the renovation. Neglecting these essential systems can result in costly delays and unforeseen expenses, ultimately reducing the profitability of the flip. By prioritizing these foundational steps, investors can avoid common pitfalls and set themselves up for a smoother, more lucrative process. In real estate, success often hinges on thorough preparation and disciplined execution. Consistent effort, paired with careful planning, lays the foundation for rewarding outcomes. Attention to detail ensures that potential issues are addressed before they escalate, while adaptability allows professionals to navigate unexpected challenges. By integrating these principles, renovations become more manageable and lead to lasting results. Ultimately, a methodical approach is crucial for achieving success in the ever-changing landscape of real estate. Successful investors distinguish themselves by maintaining focus on daily priorities and tracking their progress with honesty. By relying on fact-based decisions, they avoid distractions and stay committed to their goals. Trusting the fundamentals and allowing the numbers to guide their actions ensures that their strategies remain grounded in reality. This disciplined approach is key to achieving sustained, long-term success in the world of investing.